have kids and, you know, that check, that's there. So it's yeah, definitely bigger than just pointing a finger or getting the glory of, you know, a boss, and you know, it's not like a true leader is gonna, like, you know, expose people properly, compensate people properly, and, like, you know, just allow them or make them dream and you know, push that ambition that's somewhere you know, I think that's a boss. And I haven't met too many. Yeah, so yeah.
All right, so it's a question that I want to ask you. Like, I ask a lot of people this, right? What motivates you? What drives you?
I don't know, man. I think now, before it was the money, you know, and I'm not the richest guy, so I'm not trying to say it like that, but before it was just, you know, to get out here and be able to, you know, spend, and my daughter not need for anything, and boom, boom, boom. I think now it's more or less, I like black businesses and places like that you normally wouldn't see us. So a black computer store, you know.
Right.
A
Shout out to that too, yeah. Man. Congrats on that, man.
For sure. A black bagel shop, you know, a black, you know, all these. You have a black pet store, you know. Mm-hmm. I'm just throwing it out there, just stuff that can, you know, translate better with us in there, and you know, well, it's more inviting, you know. And so that's now what I'm in it for. I want to do a bunch of stuff that's not like that they don't usually see us do. You know, not just like I want to do a fish restaurant, you know, and no, shade to anybody that got the restaurants or whatever, but I don't want to do that, you know. I would like to, like, nightlife, invest in it, of course, but it's great money, it's great quick money. But, like, I'm interested in, like, the black donut shop. You know what I'm saying? And the black Krispy Kreme, black pizza shop. We want to have a black-owned pizza shop that when you walk in, you hear some R&B or some neo soul, and we got these, you know, dishes that's reflecting our, like, culture, you know, like, we won't have nothing like that here. So that's what I want to do. I'm more in it now for, like, the culture, and but that's everywhere. So
there's two more things I want to ask you before we wrap up and finish up.
Mm-hmm.
What advice do you have to a young brother or a young sister who would like to start up a computer shop themselves?
I would say get the experience, of course. Get the experience. That's the most valuable part, because you can, like, this is something you don't need a brick and mortar for. You just need the tools or a computer itself, and you can, you know, make a salary. You can make a great living. So get the experience. Like, watch people, YouTube. You know, find somebody who's in the business and look over their shoulder if you can. If you're in school, definitely try to intern somewhere, take advantage of the internships that they put out there. And yeah, it all comes together after the experience.
Yes, sir. And the last question was, what is that?
So back here, so this is custom builds, kind of junky back here, but these are iMacs. All the major components, you know. These we may build in the future. I'm not rushing to get them done. They'll need new graphics cards. So main logic board, graphics card, hard drive, power supply, fans, got some RAM. And it's missing the LCD, but that makes up a pretty much a computer across the board. So yeah, just the iMac, man, all in one iMac.
All right, man, I appreciate you, brother.
Sure.
Before I let everybody go, I always tell them this. Remember that you're powerful. Remember that you're awesome, man. And that's not cliche, that's real talk.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? We appreciate you, salute to you.
Sure.
Thank you for allowing me to do this, brother.
Appreciate y'all.
Peace.
Peace. Hey.